How to fix Snapchat camera. First thing guys, go to the Play Store, search for Snapchat and make sure to update it. And if you have iPhone, you can do the same thing in the App Store. And then go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now all what you have to do is scroll until you find Snapchat app. When you scroll, you will find Snapchat here, click on it, click on force stop. After that, what you have to do is click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then click on the data usage here. Disable all these options and enable them back, and then restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.